Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video of Android series, I'm going to be talking about how you can mirror your Android screen on PC. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to click on the red subscribe button and the bell icon as well. There are a lot of applications in your Play Store and on your desktop that offers this service, but they are all paid applications. So if you want to do it for free, then watch this video till end. Okay, so let's start our video. First of all, you'll have to download an application to your mobile phone. So open your Play Store and download this application. Okay, right, Mobizen. Okay, so you'll have to download this application to your mobile phone. Okay, so I've already downloaded this and open this application. Okay, and now you'll have to click here start, and now you'll have to create an account into this application. So you'll have to choose your email. Okay, I will choose this. Now I've already created an account and to this application, so you'll have to sign up with using this email. Okay, start this application. Okay, it's done. So it's done from mobile phone. Now you'll have to open your desktop application. So I will show you in my desktop. Okay, so here first of all you'll have to open your browser, and from browser there are two ways to access your mobile phone from your PC. So first of all you'll have to open a website, mobizen.com. Okay, this is the website and you'll have to sign in using your Mobizen account you have created on your mobile phone. So I'll just sign in here. Okay, now as you can see that it's my device, so I wanna mirror this mobile phone here. So what I will do is here are two options that you can connect via USB or you can connect via wireless. Okay, so I will go with wireless and I will click connect. Okay, so you have a code here, so you'll have to two-step verification. Click here and put your verification code in here. Okay, 916620. okay, now if I want to click here, do not ask for this PC, this will add my PC to authorized PC list. So I'll connect here. Okay, now as you can see that it's connected, and now it will show my my mobile phone screen here. Okay, now I'll have to allow from my mobile phone, allow, and here now you can see that it's my mobile phone, it's my mobile screen. Okay, so you can see that I can here click on full screen and I can just do anything from my mobile phone, and I can see all the things in my mobile phone screen. So that's how you can mirror your Android screen in your PC. Okay, so there are two ways to access your mobile phone. You can download this application in your PC, or you can just do that with this website mobizen.com. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.